And the topic of the video is the questions related to articles or the questions which are put up in exams. Okay, now it's a practice session. Okay, I'm going to give you the question patterns. Okay, first question can be like fill in the blanks with suitable articles. Okay, this is the first type of question where they can give you blanks and you'll have to fill them with suitable articles, with proper articles. Okay, for example, 1, I'm writing out the questions first. Try answering the questions in the comment section. I'm going to read out the question one by one. Fill in the blanks with suitable articles. One of dash students have failed. Second is dash sun sets in dash east. Third is he is dash man. Fourth is she is dash most intelligent girl of my class. Then fifth one is he is dash honorable man. Here you have to fill in the blank with suitable article. Now, one of dash students have failed. If you remember, I talked about the uses of the in my previous video where I said that if a sentence has words like most of or one of, in that case the comes after that word. So in this case it will be one of the students have failed. Okay, one of the students have failed. Then in the second part it is dash sun sets in dash east. So in case of directions or in case of heavenly bodies we use the sun sets in the this question is so wrong. The sun rises in the east and the sun sets in the west. Okay, really sorry. Now the third question is he is a dash man. He is dash man. In this case it will be he is a man. Okay, he is a man. Then she is dash most intelligent girl of my class. So in case of what is most intelligent? Most intelligent is the superlative degree, right? So in case of superlative degree you use the. So she is the most intelligent girl of my class. Then he is honorable man. What will come here? A and or the? And will be used here. Why? Because it is honorable and you pronounce it like, although it is a word which starts with a consonant, but it sounds like vowel. It sounds like vowels. Okay, so that is why and will be used here. Okay, so this is one such pattern of question. Now let's see the second pattern. Now they can give you one question and then you can be provided with options. Okay, 4 options and you'll have to choose one of them. For example, I'm going to explain each and every questions one by one, but try answering out the questions in the comment section. Okay, so that you'll understand that how many answers of you have correct, of how many questions and how many answers are correct. Okay, so the second question is bee sting. So in this case the no article, both A and B, and none of the above. I already talked about, sorry, the bees sting. Okay, so I already talked about this example before. Okay, in case of plural or in case of uncountable noun, in case of plural or uncountable noun, article or the use of article is banned. Okay, so there won't be any use of article. So the answer is option B, that is no article. Okay, no article will be used here. Let's see the third question. If the question asks you that the total number of indefinite article is, and they again give you different options like 2, 3, 1 or none of the above. So I have already talked about indefinite article, and total number of indefinite article is 2. That is, indefinite article is a or an. So there are 1 and 2. 2 indefinite articles. So option number A is the correct one. Okay. Now let's see the fourth type of question. They may ask you a question from the rules. For example, they may ask you that the articles comes So if a question like this comes, that article comes dash adjective. So I talked about one of the rule where they said that articles comes before adjective, but again we talked about exceptional cases where article would come before adjective. Sorry, where article will come after adjective. Okay. So the options are A, that is before, B, that is after, and C, that is both A and B, and D is between. So article comes before adjective, but in some exceptional cases it may come after adjective. So in this case, when the option like this is given, although you can choose A, but after is also correct. Most suitable one is before. Okay, but if the option has like this, if any option contains like both A and B, in that case you are going to choose this one. Okay, because in case of adjective, articles may come before or after. Okay, so here the third option is the correct one. Okay, if there would have been some other option, for example, if there had been above, if there had been something else, okay, so in that case what you have done is you would have chosen the article comes before adjective. Okay, so just take care of this thing. They might give you options like this just to make you confused. Okay, dash water is dirty. In this case, again they have given you examples like no article, the, a or an, or definite article. So in this case, what will come? The dash water is dirty. So you will just say water is dirty. You won't specify that water. Okay. So you won't use any article here. So the option will be no article. Okay. No article. But when you use dash the water of tap is dirty, okay, in that case you're going to use the. So when you specify the water, then there is the use of article will come, otherwise there won't be any article. Although, okay, so I hope the type of questions related to articles is clear to you.